Hi guys, a blessed good day to you all. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy, super simple guava jam. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some white guava, but any kind of guava is fine to use. I have some brown and granulated sugar. I'll be using some cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt, as well as some lemon juice. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead, wash your guava and cut them up into sizes like this. Then you want to preheat a pot and put it on the stove to boil. Now I will leave the correct measurements that I used down in my description box so you can get everything correct. So once this is boiled and it is nice and tender, what you want to do is turn the heat off and we'll proceed to the next step. So here you see me transferring the guava to a bowl. That's because I'm going to go ahead and mash it with a potato masher, and I'm going to show you two ways that you can do this. The first method is you want to mash this until it's mostly mushy and smooth, and then we'll go ahead and strain it over. We'll pass it through a strainer to get rid of most of the seeds. You don't want the seeds in your jam. So once we do that, we will move on to the next method. But guys, let me tell you this, you need some arm muscle for this because it took a while, and you want to make sure that you're getting most of the guava out and you're just leaving the seeds in here. So this takes a while and some arm muscle. Back in the day, I guess this is the method they used because, you know, they didn't really have blenders and those kinds of things. So I guess they used this method, and yeah, but I will show you a different method that will be way easier and faster. So this is what we got. Once we do it, I'm going to continue this because it still had a lot of stuff in there. And this is what we have once I was done. This is just the seeds left. So the next method, we'll go ahead and just blend the guava. You want to blend that to a smooth puree and pass it through your strainer again. And it is so easy, it goes through smooth here because it is a puree. And all we was left with is the seeds. So this way is way easier, and I would advise to do this with the entire thing instead of going through that tough process in the beginning. So once you're done with this, you want to just discard those seeds, get rid of them. And this is basically what we have left here. We will go ahead and just transfer it back into our pot, and we will now start the cooking process to make our actual jam. So we want to add the rest of the ingredients. We will add our sugar, our spices. The spices add great flavor to this jam. You could also add vanilla if you like, or almond extract, and a pinch of salt just to balance everything out. And if you notice, I'm not using a lot of sugar because this jam is not very sweet. I have other plans for this that you will see if you continue watching my channel, but I didn't want it too sweet because I was going to use this in other recipes. So you want to stir this until it's nice and smooth and allow it to reduce and thicken up. Once the jam has thickened, this is a beautiful color it has, but I want the pink guava color. So what I'll do is add 2 drops of red food coloring here, just to color it a bit. You know me, I like my stuff nice and vibrant. We all eat with our eyes. And if something looks beautiful, we are tempted to taste it. So yeah, we will stir this, make sure it's well combined, allow it to go for a few more minutes. And that's basically how you make guava jam, guys. It's super simple and easy. And this was so amazing. It was so potent, the flavor of the guava in there. and it was so rich but not too sweet, and that's exactly how I like this jam because I want to make other stuff with it. So you don't want it over sweet. So next we will go ahead and transfer this to our storing jar, and that's it, guys. You can use this on your breads, your crackers, whatever you want to use this on, go ahead. As it cools, it will thicken more, so be aware of that. And yeah, this is the recipe, guys. I did prepare some sandwiches and crackers, and it was so good. I stood at the countertop and I devoured them. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.